Okay, here we are fishing at Pleasant Valley Reservoir, and typically I'm the only girl here. So I got a privacy tent, and it's from AbcoSport. And look how cool it is. It fits inside this. Very slim. It also has these handles here on the back, so you can wear it like a backpack. And check it out. Isn't this awesome? So I'm going to show you a little close-up of what it looks like inside. Okay, so this is what the tent looks like. It's a little windy, as you can see, but really is nice. And if there is extra wind, you just stake it down. It comes with 4 stakes, and we also put some rocks by it to secure it. Now, let's go check it out. It has double zippers on the inside as well as the outside. And this is what it looks like inside. So it has a little pocket there. It also has another zipper inside here as well. So if you are taking a shower, and just look how perfect it is. So this is a window here, and they also have another zipper here at the top too. So if you are taking a shower, you can use that one as well. It also has a clothesline right here, so you can hang up your clothing. And it has dual zippers here on the inside. Perfect. And this is what it looks like underneath. This is perfect for changing or if you have to use the potty. So great product. I was sent this from AbcoSport and I really love it. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.